So today I thought I'd do something lighthearted, some cute decorations to help remind yourself to stay at home. So here are some of the designs that I'll be using. This is a little box with a lid, and I have a little easel with the canvas, and the canvas is attached. And this is a square. It's a shelf, but I'll be using the back side. And this is a little birdhouse, but I'll also just be using the back side. And then I also picked up some white and black acrylic paint. So I think I'm just going to keep it simple with a white background with black writing. And I also printed off some designs that I'll be tracing onto these little knickknacks. So I'm just going to put some of the white paint into this styrofoam plate, and I'm just going to paint everything with a coat of white. So I've got the design cut out, and so the first thing you want to do just going to move the paper out of the way, is I'm just using a like a graphite pencil, and I'm just going to lightly, you can use a regular pencil, so I'm just going to lightly go over the back, and what I'm doing is creating my own transfer paper. You can also just use transfer paper if you have that available. So now I'm going to center the text, and I'm just going to trace over it with a pen. So you can see it's leaving a light line. There. So here you can see the design is lightly put in place, and now I can start painting the design. So I'm just using some black Toll paint, craft paint that I picked up at the dollar store, and I'm just going to carefully outline the design in black. There, and I'm just going to leave it dry, and then I'm just going to touch up the little mistakes that I made. So here you can see the designs are all done. So I think these look really fun just how they are. It depends on what style your kitchen is. I'm hoping to go for sort of like a minimal farmhouse look. So you can decorate these however you want. You can stencil a design on the side, do a wash to add some more color. You can coat it in Mod Podge. I think the sign, this little easel is really nice just how it is, so I'm going to leave it like this. But I think I'm going to add a few more details just to make these pop. So I've decided I'm going to distress this with a bit of sandpaper. So I'm wearing my mask to keep the dust out of my face. I'll link to the video below where I made these. These are really great to have for your craft room. Whenever you're spray painting or sanding, it's good to keep your face covered so you don't inhale the dust. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm not sure if I'm going to add it some more. You can see it's just light. It just sort of takes the freshness of the paint off, which is really nice. So now I was thinking I'm going to add a bit of a patina. So I have some of these kind of like earthy brown colors. I think I'm just going to put this with some Mod Podge and just see what happens. So with this one, I think I'm going to go darker, make this one really just really age this one a lot and go a bit darker with the color. So here's the final designs. These are really cute, and you can use these to decorate your kitchen table or your fireplace mantle. And well, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.